Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial that I will show you how to fix Waplog app sound problem easy and quick. Open first your settings of your device, click on apps option and search for Waplog and click. Scroll down this list, click on storage and click clear cache here. Back now, click on for stop and click OK. You have to go to Play Store or App Store and update your Waplog. Restart after that your mobile phone, and that's it. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.